Have you ever wondered why some people achieve their dreams while others don't? Imagine a world where Thomas Edison gave up after his first few attempts at inventing the light bulb, or if J.K. Rowling stopped writing after her initial manuscript rejections. Our lives would look very different, wouldn't they? That's the power of persistence. It is the unwavering force that drives us to keep going, to keep striving, and ultimately, to keep succeeding. In the world of YouTube, persistence takes on an even more significant role. It's the fuel that keeps the engine of creativity running. It's the spark that ignites the flame of innovation. It's the grit that grinds the wheel of progress. It's the mana that feeds the soul of the YouTuber. Without persistence, the world of YouTube would be a barren wasteland, devoid of the rich, diverse content we've come to know and love. But what does persistence mean, really? It's not just about stubbornly sticking to something for the sake of it. No, it's about having a vision, a goal, and relentlessly pursuing it, despite the obstacles that stand in your way. It's about having a dream and being determined to make it a reality. It's about believing in yourself, even when others don't. Persistence is the lifeblood of success, not just on YouTube but in any field. It's the driving force that propels you forward, that pushes you to keep going, even when the going gets tough. It's the belief in your abilities, in your potential, in your dreams. It's the conviction that you can and will succeed, no matter what. Persistence isn't just about achieving success, though. It's also about personal growth and development. It's about learning from your failures and using them as stepping stones to success. It's about building resilience and developing a never-give-up attitude. It's about cultivating a mindset of determination and perseverance. So, if you're dreaming of becoming a successful YouTuber, or achieving any other goal for that matter, remember this. Persistence is key. It's not about how fast you move, but how far you're willing to go. It's not about the number of times you fall, but the number of times you get back up. Remember, it's not about the speed, but the direction. The key element to success is persistence. Now let's delve into the stories of successful YouTubers who never gave up. Picture this. You're in a small room, the light from your laptop screen illuminating your face as you tirelessly edit your latest video. This is a scene familiar to many successful YouTubers. It's a journey that starts with a single step, a single video, and a single viewer. There's the tale of a gamer who started with a simple love for video games. His first videos didn't get much traction, but he kept going, kept playing, kept recording. He faced criticism, technical difficulties, and times where he wondered if it was all worth it. But he didn't give up. Today, he's one of the most subscribed gamers on YouTube, inspiring millions with his passion. Then there's the beauty vlogger who started her channel as a hobby. She faced challenges like negative comments, inconsistent views, and the struggle of balancing her passion with her day job. She could have let these challenges discourage her, but instead she used them as fuel to continue. Now she's a beauty icon, setting trends and inspiring young women around the world. Finally, consider the chef who started his channel with only a small kitchen and a big dream. He faced rejection, low view counts, and the daunting task of competing against established cooking channels. But he persisted, believing in his unique recipes and distinct style. Now, he's a celebrated chef on YouTube, his dishes savored virtually by millions. These YouTubers faced their fair share of challenges, but they never let these obstacles deter them. They had to learn, adapt, and remain resilient. It was their determination and persistence that transformed their dreams into reality. Their channels from obscurity into a platform that inspires, entertains, and educates millions. These stories are not unique. They are the stories of countless YouTubers who believed in their dreams, who remained steadfast despite the challenges. These stories are proof that with determination, dreams can become reality. Persistence is not always a smooth path. There are ups and downs. Shall we explore them? On this journey, not giving up is a double-edged sword. On one side, it's a ticket to an improved day-to-day life. The more you persist, the more you learn to overcome obstacles, not just on YouTube, but in life. It's like strengthening a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it becomes. In the face of adversity, you're not easily swayed. Instead, you're motivated to push harder, to keep going. This resilience can shine through in your personal life, boosting your morale and teaching you consistency. In the end, it's not just about building a successful YouTube channel, it's about building a stronger you. On the other hand, persistence has its challenges. It can sometimes lead to burnout and stress. You're constantly pushing, constantly striving, and it can be exhausting. There might be moments when you feel like you're running on empty, like you've given all you have and there's nothing left. In these moments, remember that it's okay to take a step back, to rest and recharge. Persistence isn't about never resting, it's about getting back up every time life knocks you down. And then there's the fear of failure. The more you persist, the more you put yourself out there, the greater the risk of stumbling. But remember, failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of it. Every misstep, every fumble is a lesson learned, a stepping stone towards your goal. In the end, not giving up is a choice. It's choosing to see the sunrise after a dark night. It's choosing to believe in the possibility of success amidst countless failures. It's choosing to endure, to persist, because you believe in your dream, in your vision. Yes, the path might be tough, there might be obstacles and setbacks, but the rewards of not giving up, of seeing your dream come to life, of becoming the person you aspire to be, they're worth every struggle. The path might be tough, but the rewards of not giving up are worth every struggle. The journey of persistence is also a journey of self-improvement. Ready to learn how? Let's dive right in. It's no secret that the path to YouTube success is a marathon, not a sprint. It demands dedication, patience, and a lot of hard work. But here's the thing. These qualities don't only make you a successful YouTuber, they shape you into a better person. When you're determined to make your channel grow, you're also cultivating a mindset of resilience and consistency that spills over into other areas of your life. Think about it. The same tenacity that keeps you from throwing in the towel when your video views are low can help you navigate through personal challenges. The creativity you employ to make your content engaging can spark innovation in your day-to-day tasks, or even in other business pursuits. The discipline you develop while managing your channel can improve your work ethic and efficiency in all you do. And it doesn't stop there. Fostering your channel also means fostering relationships. You're not just building a platform for videos, you're building a community. This community can become a supportive network, providing feedback, encouragement, and sometimes even friendship. These interactions can enhance your communication skills, empathy, and understanding, which can positively affect your family life and interpersonal relationships. So, remain determined and consistent. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in your capability to create content that resonates. Remember, each video you make, each subscriber you gain, is a testament to your growth, not just as a YouTuber, but as an individual. It's a beautiful journey, this path of building yourself while building your channel. Yes, there will be obstacles. Yes, there will be days when you question if it's worth it. But remember, every challenge you overcome, every milestone you reach, they're all shaping you into a stronger, more resilient person. Your YouTube channel is not just a platform, but a reflection of your perseverance and growth. So, keep going, keep creating, and most importantly, keep being you. We've journeyed through the importance of not giving up. Now it's your turn to take the leap. The road to success, whether on YouTube or any other venture, is often paved with challenges, but remember, these are not obstacles, but stepping stones. Each one is a lesson, a growth opportunity, a chance to become stronger, more resilient, and more determined. Just as the successful YouTubers we've discussed, your journey will be unique, filled with highs, lows, and everything in between. But the common thread among all success stories, the secret ingredient, if you will, is persistence. It's about waking up every day and choosing to continue, choosing to pursue your passion, even when the going gets tough. Determination is a powerful tool. It's the driving force that can propel you forward, even when the odds seem stacked against you. It's the unwavering belief in yourself and your capabilities, the refusal to accept defeat. And let me tell you, this is a game changer. It's the difference between those who dream and those who do. Consistency, on the other hand, is your best friend. It's about showing up day in and day out regardless of how you feel. It's about building habits, creating a routine that supports your goals. It's about making small, incremental improvements every day that add up over time. And remember, this journey is not just about building a successful YouTube channel. It's about building yourself as a person. It's about learning, growing, and becoming the best version of yourself. It's about developing skills and traits that can help you in every aspect of your life, from your personal relationships to your professional career. So, are you ready to take the leap? Are you ready to embark on this journey of self-discovery and growth? Are you ready to chase your dreams with unwavering determination and consistency? Before you embark on this journey, remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and never give up on your dreams. See you in the next video.